If you like surprises, then you'll love Cascade Versatile Rear Bench and the Versatile Rear Lounge, or as we like to call them, VRB and VRL. Their plush forward and aft adjustable backrests make them perfect for sandbar parties, sunbathing, and sitting together for conversation. When the backrest is stowed, you'll have a huge bed area for sleeping all night long. The VRL has a pillowed headrest built into the rear of the lounge, so the whole group can lounge facing forward and rear at the same time. VRB is made without the permanently mounted rear padded headrest, which allows easy access to the rear of the boat. A stainless steel railing is available for VRB at the rear so you can sit or lounge while underway. Just when you think it's one thing, it becomes another. Both VRB and VRL have corner benches up front, Ensign 2 fiberglass helm stands with soft touch black recessed dash, gray wood accents, a removable windshield, and a fully adjustable captain's chair. Cascade VRB and VRL. Surprisingly versatile. Cascade highlight features include a fiberglass Ensign 2 helm stand with gray wood dash, a gold stereo system featuring a high-power Fusion stereo with 4 speakers, a GPS speedometer, a premium interior with composite wall cladding, and 4000 series plush Matrix 50 furnishings.